Oh, you have Petria volubilis.
Yeah.
Do you sell them?
Petrolus we have, sir.
You have in stock. How much do you?
350 rupees one plant, sir.
Okay.
This is Valeria.
So a lot of people ask me where do you get this plant.
Yeah.
So
Please tell me.
now
Yeah,
they
sir.
will definitely come to APD.
Yeah. And see, this is a Valeria plant actually.
Okay.
Valeria. This is also throughout their flower, like a creeper, sir. This is also.
This is Valeria.
Yeah. You can see the lot of bunches.
Does this is this fragrant?
No fragrance, sir. Just for show.
Just for show. So it'll like a earring. Like a earring, it'll fall.
Bunches
right?
kind thing.
So that is the Petria volubilis, and now you know where to come. So this is the tamarind tree, which is providing all the shade for your plants. So you don't generally need all these shade covers.
Nothing, sir. Yeah.
The tree is providing all the natural shade, and they have set it up very well. I mean, one particular thing about this place is like they have a separate corner for herbs, they have a separate corner for trees, they have separate corner for house plants, and that's kind of easy for customers to come and sift through these plants and take what they like.
And water papyrus we have, sir.
Oh yes, we don't see too many aquatic plants in local nurseries.
This is water papyrus. This is special variety. Easily it will grow in the water. Just you give water, that's all, sir. It's not required to do any feeding, nothing, sir. And you can see like a bamboo stick kind thing. More flower will be there here actually.
Are these the blooms?
Yeah, blooms, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think this thing falls and it
Multiplies.
these are seeds, is it?
Yeah, side shoots. Yeah, this is a flower, sir. After getting dry, it will fall and it will come.
It will fall and it will automatically come from
but
the ground.
the seeds is very slow growing.
Okay.
But if you side shoot is fast, it will grow actually.
Side shoots.
Yeah.
So for the side shoots to come, the old ones you have to cut.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So this is what was the name again?
Papyrus, sir.
Papyrus.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the water lily.
Water cabbage. This is water lily is orange color.
Oh.
See, this is called water cabbage.
Yes, water lettuce or water cabbage.
Water cabbage.
What is this?
This is called water banana. We will call actually.
Water
White
banana.
flower it will come actually, sir.
Okay. And this is also next.
Water plant, just for water.
So this is also a water plant, and it's kind of velvety to touch. I think these are hairs, and this is the root system.
Just if you give water is enough, sir. Easily it will.
Just water is enough, and these plants will grow really well. So one thing about water cabbage is also a little difficult to grow. So any tip like sunlight requirement?
No, water cabbage semi-shade. See, if you want to do production purpose, you keep it semi-shade, sir. Fastly multiply it will happen. Full sun means you should put good water, sir. Every week you have to change the water and fill the new water actually. Then nicely it will side shoot and come. Dense it will grow actually, sir.
It will grow dense.
I will show you mother plant. How we are maintaining mother plant.
Wonderful.
Nicely it is growing actually.
Okay.
In backyard, I'll show you that.
Okay, so you have a lot of Dracaenas.
Dracaena we have like 6 to 7 colors we have. Sir.
Okay. That is also a Dracaena, right?
Dracaena,
Wonderful. And then the normal plants like syngoniums.
Syngonium is there, money plant.
Lot of
Philodendron.
pothos, money plant. Then this is the neon pothos. So they have a section called shade plants. So it's easy for people to find out where, like, so that they don't have to ask for your help.
If you say for last 2 bed is indoor, easily if people will come and see.
Correct. And one more good thing about your nursery is like most of the names are perfect.
Yeah, names
because sometimes they don't write the proper names. But yours, you do the research well and you name it really well. Yeah. So this is
bleeding heart.
Bleeding heart.
Cleodendron is a scientific name actually.
Correct. This is the bloom, right?
Yeah. Flower.
Clerodendron, there's a lot of variety. White.
Like 6 varieties is there.
Correct. You have the Spathoglottis.
Yeah.
Ground orchid.
Yeah.
So these are ground orchids, and what are these colors?
Blue, sir. We have blue and yellow.
Oh, you have blue. Wow. Okay. And this is
passion fruit.
passion fruit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Passion flower and passion fruit both also we have. And see, this is a special variety there. Wandering June, some people they will ask actually.
Correct.
Indoor hanging nicely.
It's a very easy plant to grow
Yeah,
also.
just cutting if you plant it will grow.
This is the baby rose plant.
Yeah. We will call Misandranthimum, that is.
Misandrat. Okay.
Pink color flower it will come. So.
Baby rose or sun rose?
Yeah, no, baby rose is different. So.
Okay.
It's the same family, but
This is
asparagus.
asparagus grass. Okay.
Chlorophyta. And we have tree sunflower, I told already.
Ah.
Is there actually flower you can
This one is
hanging
Jew.
Jew.
This is also, I think, a Jew plant. I'll confirm on this. Oh, strawberry.
We have actually.
Beautiful.
Strawberry plant.
Lot of hanging plants. Very, very exotic. That's one thing I really like about APD nursery.
Some succulents we have different varieties.
Yeah.
We have adeniums, two color we have. Two color adenium.
Okay.
And these are succulents.
And these are succulents.
Succulents.
What is this? You don't know the specific name.
Specific we don't know.
Okay.
We kept like a succulent plant.
Succulent. This is also a good plant. Huh?
Yeah.
This is Bacopa. Brahmi.
Brahmi.
Jalabrahmi.
Jalabrahmi.
Okay, so adenium, lot of... oh, you have thick cordex also.
Yeah. We have two colors, sir. One is red and one pink.
Okay. And this goes out for 100 rupees.
Yeah.
Next.
And see special orchids. This slipper orchid we have.
Oh. So this is the famous slipper orchid. And you can come to APD nursery for this. How much is this?
200, sir.
200.
Yeah.
That's quite nominal.
Yeah. APD mix we will call actually. We will normally, you can see this, we will mix cocoa peat, vermicompost, neem cake,
Okay.
and Arca cocoa peat. Especially nobody
Areca.
will use Arca cocoa peat. Our APD is using Arca cocoa peat for the enrichable actually. You can see here we will mix everything together. Like eight different varieties of manure we will mix and we are preparing, like this is called APD mix. This is not available every time, but when if you give a order, within 2 days we will organize and give you this.
How much is one bag?
350 rupees 1 kg bag. You can see the bag here.
Okay.
Same bag only.
And this is quite well draining also, no?
Yeah. Ready to plant actually.
Correct.
And we will mix everything together and we will prepare it.
What is the proportion of compost?
Compost, like see, I told you already, like indoor is different.
Okay.
This is normal soil. Everything you can use actually. We will put cocoa peat, vermicompost, neem powder, bone meal, and Arca cocoa peat. That is also we are mixing actually. We will bring the raw material. We will preparing actually this ourselves actually, and this all will together will mix and we will put leaf manure. You can see this.
Yes, wonderful.
Leaf manure we are using.
So it increases the nitrogen.
Actually. Normally, if you go anywhere, you will not mix these all things. This is special we are making. See, we getting good order actually. We got like 100 bag order.
Okay.
We are preparing now actually.
Okay.
We will give home deliveries also actually.
You give home deliveries also. Okay.
If you give like maximum 10,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees, if you give that, we will do. And normally we will do landscaping work and repotting work also we are doing.
You are doing landscaping also.
Yeah.
Okay.
We want to grow vegetable part or repotting, and any lawn laying work. This all we are doing actually, sir.
Even irrigation?
Irrigation also we are doing actually.
Okay. Drip irrigation.
Irrigation, yeah. And you can see here actually. You can see different varieties we have product. We have mosaic and we have cocoa peat. Like you want to like orchids mix. They will ask orchid mix.
This is orchid mix.
Yeah.
Okay.
And organic fertilizer we have. You can see this organic fertilizer for any plants, 1 handful each. This you can use.
Correct.
And seeds, you can see different varieties of seeds. Seeds, I think we have like 12 to 15 varieties of the different vegetable seeds. Flowering seeds we have.
Organic seeds.
Purely organic, sir, this all.
Okay.
And pot, we can see all different pots.
You have coir pots.
Yeah.
Oh, these pots, hanging pots,
hanging pots and
plastic.
this is a vegetable growing, especially long pot people they will ask.
Okay.
You can see different sizes we have.
Okay.
And kids, especially small children, see small water can is available.
Correct.
The small children they like to water the plant.
This is nice. And seaweed. Huh?
Yeah, seaweed means this is a pesticide actually.
Oh, this is pesticide.
Pesticides for any small insects like this mini bugs or teddy and we have hanging pot also, sir.
Okay.
And see here you can see this flower mix we have. Flower mix for each plant, one spoon if you give, plant it will grow nicely.
This is chemical.
Chemical? No, not chemical. This is all purely organic only.
This is organic.
Chemical. Yeah.
Okay.
This is chemical we are not selling. Purely organic.
Everything
purely organic.
Okay. Wonderful.
And we have super rich, especially for vegetable plants.
Okay.
And rose mix also we have. Rose mix is there. Vermicompost 1 kg packet is there. The 1 kg is like 60 rupees. If you buy 5 kg is 180 rupees. And pot mix is like especially apartment people they don't have more plants. They want soil means ready mix 5 kg pot mix also is available, sir.
Okay. And
grow bag. You want to see grow bag? We have the colorful pots and grow bags.
do you use do you do vertical gardening?
Vertical garden also we will do
With felt?
With felt and you want to create a mesh kind thing of also. We are creating the wall. They will fix that actually. So.
You do vertical gardening
vertical
also.
gardening.
Wonderful. So what would be the approximate cost?
See, cost is there is a different varieties, sir. You want to prepare the full things like setup you want to do, like charges, welding charges, this all it will come that separate actually.
Okay.
But you want to only plant just for we have 2-3 different collections.
So I'll do one thing. I'll put your detail in the description box so they can contact.
Yeah. See, especially why I am saying that some people they will ask 10 pots.
Correct.
10 pots means one stand is there. We will give a stand only.
Standard.
Right?
Correct.
And some people 100 pots means we will prepare the stand and we will give you that.
Customize.
Yeah. Especially like 150 to 200 rupees per pot it will cost.
Okay. So these are the grow bags?
Yeah. Grow bag we have 8 sizes actually, different one.
Alright. So you have from organic to plastic, you have all the items. And then you have tools also.
Tools, especially we have scissor, small hand scissor. And see, you can see this is all like digging purpose. And this is also different one. We want to make loose the soil.
Correct. Nice.
And you have ground also. See, like this we have digging.
You don't sell ceramic pots?
Ceramic pot, why we don't have. But if you give an order, we'll organize and give you. So what is the size and everything.
Can we see your terracotta section?
Please, sir, please.
Beautiful.
You want to see that thing, sir?
Oh yeah, bromeliads you have, no?
No, these are not for sale.
Oh, it's not for sale.
Yeah, if you put it, if you give an order, we will give you, sir.
Okay.
See, this is called Clevia miniata lily, sir. This is also special variety. This is one plant is 600 rupees cost.
Okay.
But not this size. Small one will give you actually, like 1 feet one. Actually.
1 feet.
Yeah. This is also available our nursery, sir.
This is anthurium.
Yeah.
And this is begonia.
Begonias.
Wow, beautiful. So these are not for sale.
Not for sale, but if you give
Special orders.
Yeah, special order will give you, sir.
Okay. This again is that ginger variety, right? That Sugandhi. Oh. So this is the stag-on structure?
Yeah, inside we put coconut shells, sir. The top, the leaf it is growing actually.
Oh, these are the leaves. These are the old leaves.
Yeah, old leaves.
Oh, interesting.
And water cabbage I told already. In another plant section, you can see like this it will grow. Nice.
So this is the water lettuce in under shade.
Under shade it will grow like this.
So these are the mother plants.
Yeah, one plant you can see this size it will grow actually.
Wow. Do you add fishes inside?
You can add fishes also. We are not, especially we are not put that actually.
Okay.
For people.
So what kind of fertilizer? Nothing.
Just
water.
Sir.
Okay. So these are some of the water lettuces under full sun. And you can see little baldy it is. Yeah. And this is like completely full. So.
This is the night queen, sir.
Oh, this is the night queen, the yellow variety.
Yellow, white and blue. 3 colors.
Blue is also there.
Yeah.
You have it in bloom?
Right now we don't have flower, but plant is there, sir.
This is the Nishagandhi.
Yeah.
Night queen. So this is the terracotta section, and I've got some of my terracotta pots from here. So is someone coming and selling all these here?
Yeah. So this is other vendors, sir. Actually, we have different like small toys kind of thing. We have like this. Small baby plants you can plant.
Do you do vocational training for your?
Outside people. So outside people will give actually.
Okay.
Normally we'll give like classes like some people they like orchid class. Some people they love to grow plants.
Okay.
Especially more people they will ask how to care the plants actually. We'll conduct the training 6 months once.
Okay.
Like 3 to 4 hours so we'll give a training. Like every Saturday we are conducting 10 to 1 o'clock and we'll give a training, sir. Actually,
you'll give a training. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Kiran, thank you for talking to us. It's wonderful to come here and shop because there's a sense of giving when people come and shop here, right? Because it's for a good cause. Correct. It's for a good cause. So, thank you, Mr. Kiran. You are an encyclopedia of knowledge, and I'm sure a lot of people would be impressed with whatever you've spoken.
Please come
here.
and buy plants and support APD, sir. Actually,
Thank
this
you.
is a special request for all you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr.
Thanks,
Kiran.
thank
Have
you.
a nice day. Bye.
Same to you, sir.
And with this, we've come to the end of episode 1 of this nursery series. For online purchases from APD, I've added the link below. I will now leave you with some more of the nursery towards the end. Additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. And always remember, to grow slow is to grow well. Until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.